Hello everyone, in today's video we'll show you a couple of very beautiful and very less explored places in West Karbi Anglong. My name is Jitu and you are watching Suti Golpo. In my previous videos of Karbi Anglong, I was in East Karbi Anglong. Today I am traveling with my friend Lakhi to West Karbi Anglong. From East Karbi Anglong, we travelled through Hojai district and we entered West Karbi Anglong from this point at Hawaipur. From there, we went to one of our friend's house. In some time, few more of our friends showed up and thus we decided to go for a ride to this place called Koka. Koka is mostly known as a beautiful picnic spot among the people of Karbi Anglong and the places nearby. On the way to Koka on the same route, there are two more picnic spots, namely Amreng and Harlong Pharla. So we decided to check these places as well. For me, it was the first time I have heard about this place and I had no idea what it will look like. And thus, travelling through some good roads and some bad roads, we reached our first destination, Amreng. Frankly speaking, I was not expecting the first spot itself to be this beautiful, and the bridge over the river made it even better. Spending some time here and enjoying the view from the top, we decided to move on to our second destination. HarlongPharla is at a distance of around 4 to 5 kilometers from the Amreng picnic spot. This place is well maintained by a group of local people and they charge a very nominal fee to enter this place. This place is formed on the banks of the river Kopili and provides a very beautiful view of the river. Sitting here at this beautiful place, I became more and more excited thinking how beautiful our final destination for the day will be. And thus we moved from this place and started our final leg of our journey. Formed on the banks of the river Kopili as well, Koka is around 2 kilometers from HarlongPharla.
वे अभी है कोका पे चलो है
তো রেকর্ড বম লো একদম
না না সান দে
মই রেকর্ড কৰিছো ক এইবিলাক কি ভৰাই দিব
কোটি প্রণাম দিলি নন কি দিন যা जो हैंसिल लबंके परनिसिता थेकवानों को बिलुका रखने पर नेक्स्ट इंट्रोड्यूस ला ये तो बुलू सिंह है यो हनी सिंह है उसके बाद ये है विश्वजीत तेरंग वो बाद वहाँ से आया बहुत दूर से बेंगलोर से आया है गुवाहाटी से आया है कार्बी आंगलोंग मिस्टर जीतू मनी तालुकदार इधर है दिखा दो ये नज़ारा देखने के लिए आया है तो
It is very hard for me to explain how happy I was to be here at this very beautiful place. Sitting here, watching this beautiful river and listening to the flowing water can give you such a pleasant experience. And if you like little adventure, you can go for a little boating as well. They do provide life jackets and have necessary safety measures. The place on the other side of this river is called Panimur, and you can travel to this place through Dimahasau. We did spend a lot of time at this place, had some fun among ourselves, and also made some new friends. As the sun started setting down, it was time for us to leave this place as well. We quickly had some food there and started our journey back. It was my first trip to Karbi Anglong, and there is a lot to explore here. I will leave a link of my previous videos from Karbi Anglong in the description. Do watch those videos as well. In Suti Golpo, we always try to show you places and culture which are very less explored. I hope we are doing a decent job till now, and if you like our videos, please do subscribe to our channel. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.